Class 10th Geography, Chapter number 4 Agriculture. Heading India is an agriculture country because of the following reasons. First, two-thirds of its population is engaged in agriculture activities. Second, agriculture is the primary activity and produces most of the food and food grains. Third, it produces raw material for our various industries, example cotton, textile, sugar industry. Fourth, in agricultural products like tea, coffee, spices, spices and exported and earn foreign exchange. Fourth, primitive substances farming. This type of farming is practiced in few pockets of India on small patches of land using primitive tools and family community labor. Farmers farmers clear a patch of land and produce cereals and other food crops to sustain their family. When the soil fertility decreases, the shift and clear farmer shifts and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. This type of shifting allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil through natural processes. Land productivity is low as the farmer does not use fertilizers or other modern inputs. Second, intensive substance farming. It is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive farming. Yield per hectare is high because high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used. The size of the land holdings is small and uneconomical. Farmers take maximum output from the limited land by raising 2,23 crops in a year from the same land. That is, multiple cropping is practiced. Heading Commercial Agriculture. In this, crops are mainly grown for commercial purposes. It is practiced on large pieces of land on scientific and commercial lines using machines and modern technology. There is higher use of modern agriculture inputs, example HYV seeds, fertilizers, irrigation, etc. The degree of commercialization varies from one region to another. Rice is a commercial crop in Punjab, while in Odisha it is subsistence crop, example plantation agriculture. Heading Characteristics of plantation agriculture. A single type of crop is grown on a large area. Plantation is carried out on large estates using lot of capital intensive units. Lot of migrant laborer work on these estates. The plantation has an interface of agricultural and industry. All the produce is used as raw material in the respective industries. The production is mainly for the market, that is commercial agriculture. Heading Rabi, Kharif and Zaid are the three cropping reasons. They are the three cropping seasons. First, heading Rabi crops, winter crops in bracket. Rabi crops in bracket, winter crops. Sown in winter, October to December, harvested in summer, April to June. Important crops: wheat, barley, mustard, peas, gram, etc. Second, Kharif crops in bracket, crops of rainy season. Sown onset of monsoon in bracket, June, July. Harvested September October. Important crops: rice, millets, jowar, bajra, tur in bracket arhar, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnuts and soybean. Third, Jade season. It is a short cropping season during summer month, mainly between March April and June July. Main crops are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, etc. Rice is the most important food crop in bracket kharif crop of India. India holds second position in rice production after China. Cultivation: high temperature of 25 degree and above and high humidity with annual rainfall of 100 centimeters is required. Four major regions of rice cultivation are: first, plains of North India; second, plains of North India, Northeastern India; third, coastal areas; fourth, deltic regions. Irrigated rice is produced in Punjab, Haryana, Western UP and Rajasthan. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop of India. It is main food crop. Heading: geographical conditions. Cool and moist growing seasons. Bright sunshine at the time of ripening. Rainfall 50 to 75 centimeter evenly distributed over the growing seasons. Loamy soil. Wheat growing zones. First, the Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. Wheat producing states: Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Jowar is the third most important food crops with respect to area and production. Kharif crop, rain-fed crop grown in moist areas. Major producing states: Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Millets are called coarse grains. They have high nutritional value. Important part of diet for poor people. Example: ragi. Leading producer is Karnataka, followed by Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Uttaranchal, Sikkim, etc. are other important regions. Jowar. Maharashtra is the leading producer, followed by Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Bajra. It grows well on sandy soil and shallow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Maize crop. Geographical condition. Kharif crop requires temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Requires moderate rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeter. It grows well in old alluvial soil. Maize is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in Rabi season also. Maize production in India has increased due to factors like use of modern inputs such as HYV seeds, use of fertilizers and use of irrigation facilities. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane after Brazil. Heading: geographical conditions. It is a tropical as well as subtropical crops. It grows well in hot and humid climate. Temperature 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall between 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Irrigation is required in the region of low rainfall. It can be grown on a variety of soil. It needs manual labor from sowing to harvesting. Six major states producing sugarcane: Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Sugarcane is the main source of sugar. Good, jaggery in bracket jaggery, Khandsari and molasses. Oil seeds. India is the largest producer of oil seeds in the world. 12% of the to- 12% of the total cropped area is under oil seeds production. Six major oil seeds produced in India: groundnuts, mustard, coconut, sesame, soybean, custard seeds, linseeds, sunflower, cotton seeds. Most of these oil seeds are edible and are used as cooking medium. Some are also used in as raw material in the production of soap, cosmetics and ointments. Heading T, geographical conditions. It grows well in tropical and subtropical climates. It requires deep, fertile, well-drained soil, rich in humus and organic matters. It requires warm and moist frost-free climate round the year. Frequent shower evenly distributed through the year ensure continuous growth of tender leaves. Tea is a labor-intensive labor industry. It requires abundant, cheap and skilled labor. Heading coffee. Most important beverage crop of South India. India produces 4% of the world's coffee production. Major state Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu in bracket mainly in Nilgiri Hills. Cotton is mainly produced in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Cotton is the fiber crop which is mainly grown in the black soil and of the Deccan Plateau region. First position, India is third largest producer of the cotton in the world. Second, geographical condition requires high temperature, light rainfall or irrigation. 210 frost-free days, bright sunshine, black cotton soil. Kharif crop and requires 6 to 8 months to mature. Third, major cotton producing status: Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Heading jute, mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam, known as golden fiber. Jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, especially in the Hooghly Basin, because there is geographical conditions favor its growth. These conditions are: first, high temperature required during the time of growth. Second, jute grows well on well-drained fertile soil in the flood plains where soils are renewed every year. Jute products are gunny bags, ropes, mats, carpets, yams and other ornamental anti-craft under ornamental artifacts. Rubber is produced in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Garo Hills of Meghalaya. Conditions: it requires hot and humid climate, rainfall at 200 centimeter, temperature above 25 degree. Maximum rubber is consumed in the manufacture of auto tires and tubes and cycle tires and tubes. Heading institutional reforms in agriculture. First heading, collectivization and consolidation of land holding to make them economically viable. Second, the green revolution based on the use of package technology and the white revolution to increase milk production. Third, cooperation with farmers and abolition of zamindari system. Fourth, provision of crops insurance to protect the farmers against losses caused by natural calamities, that is drought, flood, cyclone, fire and disease. Fifth, establishment of Grameen banks, cooperative societies and banks. Six, Kishan credit card, personal accident insurance scheme. Seventh, special weather bulletins and agriculture programs for farmers on radio and TV. Eighth, announcement of minimum support price, remunerative and procurement prices for crops to check the exploitation of farmers. Here chapter 4 is completed. Thank you.